Hello everyone, thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. My name is Shireen and I bring you fashion and lifestyle video content. Alright, so in today's video I wanted to share my experience ordering from SSENSE for the very first time. This is a website that I have always come across, yet I just never went to really browse and order from them. SSENSE is a luxury designer discounted realtor based out of Canada. It is similar to Farfetch, however, they do not sell resale items. So unlike Farfetch, unlike Fashionphile, they don't sell any used or pre-worn items, and they say that they do this to guarantee the authenticity. I primarily order any of my luxury and designer items from discounted luxury retailers such as a Farfetch or a Fashionphile. I used to work in the Gucci store, and so I was very familiar with Farfetch because Gucci actually had a department dedicated to Farfetch, so I knew that Farfetch was legit. So it definitely brought me some comfort when I read that SSENSE pretty much does the same thing. They only partner with the designer brands, but unlike Farfetch, they don't have a resale department at all. Their sales section is pretty much the only section I went to. That is pretty much the only section I always go to on any luxury retailer or discounted luxury retailer's website. I was shopping specifically for a cocktail ring and chunky necklaces that I can pair with some of my basic pieces. I found two of the most perfect pieces on ssense.com. Now, I did cheat a little bit and I did open these pieces up. They do express shipping and it comes within a few days. So I literally ordered these, I think on Friday or Saturday, and they were at my door on Monday or Tuesday. So it literally takes a few days to arrive. So the first item is from Dolce and Gabbana, and it definitely comes straight from the brand's packaging. As you can see here, here's the box. And like I said, I did open this up already, but I will show you how they package the piece. So it comes with this hard blue plastic so that it doesn't get, it does not scratch during shipping. So that definitely made me feel even better knowing that it has not been worn before. This was not even a returned item because it was a little difficult to get this plastic off of it. It comes in the velvet Dolce and Gabbana jewelry bag, so you can easily store it in your home or travel with it. And then of course the box that I showed you guys. So definitely great packaging straight from Dolce and Gabbana. But this is the ring here. Oh my God, this is when I tell you I love this ring, I'm not wearing it with my outfit today, of course, but this is the ring here. Oh, I love a good cocktail ring. I think it is so worth the money. I had one from Gucci when I used to work for Gucci. I have one that I've had for years and I still wear it faithfully. I absolutely love them. They're such great investment pieces if you are interested in statement jewelry and elevating your basic pieces or elevating an outfit. I absolutely love them. I normally wear them when I'm dressed a little down, and just to kind of like give your outfit a little bit more spice, a little bit more elevation, a little bit more appeal, you know, versus just being just casual. So I'm sure you guys are wondering, how much did I pay for this? How much was the discount? So this was originally $475 and I paid $214 for it. I think I got it for about 50-something% off. 55% off. So I paid $214 for it and it was originally $475. I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh. Now let's talk about sizing. My fingers are pretty small. I know that my ring finger is like a 4.3 or 4.25. When it comes to retailers like Nordstrom's or Nordstrom's rack, I usually get a size 5 or 6 in my rings. For this ring, I did not want to chance it, so they had a few sizes left. I think they had like a 4.5, a 5.5, and a 6.5. I went ahead and ordered the 6.5, and it actually fit the finger that I wear my cocktail rings on perfectly. I normally wear my cocktail rings on this first finger here, and it fits perfectly. I probably, if I wanted to wear it like on my ring finger, or I would have had to go a full size down, but this 6.5 equates to a French size 52, as well as my middle finger too, because my knuckle is a little bit bigger on my middle finger, so it fits perfectly. I love this ring so much, so much. Now the second one is from a designer. I was unfamiliar with this designer, Chopova Lowena. I think that's how you say it, Chopova Lowena. This is my first time even hearing about this designer, to be honest, but they also had some really amazing pieces. This also came with the original tags on it, and it came in the dust bag here. That's the dust bag. And you guys, look at this necklace. Oh my God. Look at this necklace, you guys. So this necklace is a mix of gold and silver. I always love mixing my metals when it comes to fashion jewelry. And it has like a flower emblem, or is this a flower? Or it looks like a face, like a smiley face on there. I don't know, but I love it. And it has like these, it's really chunky, really big. I just love it. And it has like a doggy tag. The only thing that I thought, it's really like a choker. It definitely doesn't have a lot of room, and I'm not big on chokers. I don't really like any clothing or jewelry around my neck too tight. It's not quite as tight as a choker, but it's definitely really close, but I still love it. I'm still gonna wear the hell out of it. I love this. I definitely see myself pairing this with like a plain white t-shirt like I have on today, and just, I don't know, just bringing some pizzazz to a simple look. I absolutely love this necklace. It is very busy. It's very detailed. I know it's not everyone's speed. This necklace has a lot going on, okay? It has a lot going on. You can see the details of, like, it looks like a paper, like a pin design with the different kind of chain. Like the bottom chains are double, and then it goes into the larger single chain, and then the dog tag, and then you have a rose. A lot is going on with this necklace, but I love it. This right here just gets me so excited to get dressed, because I so value pieces like this. I feel like they express your personality so much. Like, this is so me. So I actually got this for 65% off. It was originally $475, and I got it for $149. So good. I will link both of them in the description box below if you want to learn more information about them, if you guys are interested in just browsing SSENSE website. I don't know why I keep wanting to say Sensei. I don't know why I always want to say Sensei, but SSENSE. If you guys are interested in browsing SSENSE website, I'll link everything below. But you guys, I had a great experience. When I did look at some other videos with some reviews, I saw a few disappointing experiences, but I don't know whether they've changed their process or what, but I did not have an issue ordering from them at all. It came within 2 days. It was at my door. That is it. So this video definitely very short. So yes, that is it. I absolutely recommend SSENSE website if you guys are interested in discounted luxury items. Like I mentioned before, everything is new and it is straight from the designer. So you don't have to worry about getting anything that could possibly even have a 1% chance of being fraudulent. I don't mind purchasing pre-loved items. I do it all the time. I absolutely loved pre-loved items, especially when it comes to luxury and designer. However, you know, it definitely brings you comfort in knowing that a website like SSENSE partners directly with the designer so that you don't have to worry about the chance of it being inauthentic in any way. So that concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, follow me on my other social media. I always put my social media handle in the corner of the video screen so you guys can easily look me up. If you guys have any questions, make sure you place it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.